Hi, welcome back to the channel. Right, we're back on the Stag. Here's the Stag gearbox that's been completely overhauled. Everything's been replaced, all the seals and stuff. Obviously the Triumph engine you've seen in the previous video of it starting up. We're going to take the engine off the little frame it's on, put the gearbox on and get ready to install the engine. So the frame's been removed now. We're just going to push the gearbox up on there, bolt it up. And here's underneath the car while it's on the ramp. I don't think you've seen this for a while since it's been painted. Underneath has been cobra'd. He did put a silver tint of colour in there, but he didn't like it, so he's just gone black. Everything's been taken apart, cleaned, replaced if needs to be. So it's pretty, it looks very nice under here. I'll let you have a little look as I move the camera around slowly so you can have a check it out. There was no welding at all really to be done on this, just a little bit on the wing, which was damaged years ago. It was a bit of a bodge repair, so we cut it out, grafted in a new piece. But apart from that, it's a really solid car. Not like the Escort if you've watched those videos, but it's very clean and tidy under here. Right, here we go, here's the Stag. Don't think I've shown it to you since it was painted. We've done quite a lot of work to it. He's painted all the parts on it. Let's have a little walk around so you can have a quick look. Just going to take the headlights out later because he's got a new bumper coming. You have to remove the headlights to put the bumper on. Okay. So we're just in the middle of bleeding the brakes. Get it all ready so the engine can go straight in. Okay, here's the engine with the gearbox. The gearbox bolt is straight on there. No problems there. So we've got to lift it right up at like a, I don't know, 180-degree angle to try and get it in like this. Should be fun. We've got the chrome stripping, which took quite a while to do. We've got the other side to do yet. It was a right pain in the bum to do that. The paint job's very good, considering it was done in this workshop. I think he's got some different wheels on it. There is the little Stag badge. It's got the fuel tank in. All new gaskets, everything's been replaced on the car. So, we shouldn't have any problems. Obviously we've got all the dash, all the woodwork on the dash, that's all been done as well. But yeah, I don't think it'll be too long now till it's back on the road.